Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a makeup look based on some new products from Profusion that they sent me. I am obsessed with this Sienna's palette. Let me show you guys. How pretty is this? It's very fall, but I love it. So I'm really excited. So I already have foundation on, and then we're just gonna go in with the eyes and finish everything else up. Oh, and I'm also trying out a new background. I had this for a little while. I got a couple new ones, but it took forever because it came folded for me to get the creases out. So finally able to use it, but hoping it works and hoping you guys like it too. So let me know what your thoughts are, but I'm excited to use my other one that I got too. I'll probably use that in the next video, but I thinking it looks good, at least from what I can see in the camera. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you do like it, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump right in. I'm gonna zoom you guys in to my eyes a little bit more. Okay, so this palette came with a brush. I'm actually not gonna use it though, just because I wanna try out some of my new Sigma brushes that they sent me, and a couple new Morphe ones as well. So to set my lids, I'm gonna go in with this Polite shade, because I did put concealer on my lids. So we're just gonna put that all over the lid. Then we're gonna go in with this Serendipity. I'm really excited about this one. I've been wanting to try a look like this forever now. Look at that color. Oh man, I'm excited about this. I'm just placing this a little above my crease. No, I haven't gotten any more product yet, and that's what came off of it, which is awesome. This is a Morphe M504 brush also. Just gonna go in and deepen up that yellow just a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna use that same brush and we're just gonna go in with this Oasis shade a little bit lower in that crease. I really like the color payoff so far. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E59 wide shader brush. Let's go with Dapper. We're gonna go in with this one right here called Dapper. We're gonna go just in the outer corner. I'm focusing it there. Take it in about halfway. I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe brush with nothing on it and just kind of blend a little bit. Not too much. Okay, now we're gonna use that same shader brush and go in with Bite all over the lid. I was gonna go in with some concealer first, but since this is so dark, I don't think we need it, but we'll see. Packing it on the lid. Okay, I love that. I'm just gonna go back in with that Morphe brush and just blend it so it's not harsh. This inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Dizzy. It's like more of a duochrome. It's like a pink with gold. And we're gonna focus that. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. We're gonna focus that on the inner corner over here. And then in the very inner corner, we're gonna use Exclusive and just a touch of the Conquest. I am going to take my Morphe M433 brush and take that Oasis shade, put it under. So you want to look up into a mirror when you do this, like that, so with your head down, so that you can really get in there. I'm going to take that fluffy brush and really buff it out. With a definer brush, more of a flat definer, I'm going to go in with that bite that we used on the lid and just put that in the very outer corner underneath. And now for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner that they sent me with the Sigma Winged Liner E06 pencil. It's super tiny. It's been a long time since I've used a winged liner with a gel, so we'll see how this goes. So far, so good. Okay, I have to say I miss it. That was super easy. All right, not bad. All right, we're gonna curl lashes. And then I'm gonna use my Bad Gal Bang mascara that I absolutely love. Now I'm gonna pop on some lashes and finish up the rest of my face and hair, minus probably a couple things that I'll show you in just a second. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Lashes are on, curled my hair. These lashes are amazing. The glue is still drying, but these are the Alexis Black lashes from AOA Studio. I'll put them down below because I feel like it's a different website than this. But my friend Jasmine told me about them and they are awesome and so cheap too. You guys will never believe the price. It's insane. But yeah, so let's finish up the face. So Profusion sent the Sculpt and Glow contour palette. Looks like this. Cute. And it comes with a little brush. Don't know if I'll use that, but I'm gonna try to use the bronzer from it. I'm gonna probably, yeah, use this medium contour. Maybe toss just a little bit of that. Not bad. And we'll bronze up the face. It's a little ashy for me. Well, maybe not. So I'm just mixing the two. Actually, the medium was probably a little too light for me. I like it. Okay, and then I'm gonna use, I think this 3 Wishes. Ooh, maybe in this guy. 3 Wishes and Lit. I'm gonna mix the two. Okay. You see that glow? I like it. I think I like Lit a little bit better because it's more of that warmer tone. Okay. Now they have their Blush and Glow 2, which also has highlighter in it. But I want to try the blush. I think I like this guy. These highlighter colors are really pretty too. This is like more of a peachy pink. Holy moly. That was a lot of color in just like one swipe, so I gotta be very careful with this. Okay, and they did send this eyebrow kit. It has like tweezers, like pomade and a pencil, but it also came with this brow gel. I already did my brows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, but I'm gonna try their gel. See how I like it. It's just clear. Looks good so far. Now for lips, they did send these lip colors, but should I try it? Wasn't quite the look I was going for with that, but let's do it. So there's a matte lip liner. It's like orangey shade. It's in the shade Charm. Very creamy. I could even just fill it in with this, but it sounds like this lip cream is going to be a little more matte and drying. I'm not going to put the sparkling lip topper on it because it's a little too much glitter for me. So this, I think, is in the same shade. So matte, what is it called? Profusion Matte Lip Cream in the shade Charm. I don't love this applicator. It's kind of like hard, but I am enjoying the color. This is so fall. I overlined just a little bit in the middle. All right, we're gonna set everything with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And we are done. What do you guys think? It's more of like a fall sunset kind of makeup look. I wanted to put a little bit of that pop of purple on the lid for that sunset kind of vibe, but it's not very purple anymore once I blended it, but I still like it. So this is the final look. I will have a review of all of these palettes that I used on my blog as well. It'll probably be up a day after this video goes up, but I will list my blog info down below. And you can subscribe to my blog and you get notified each time a new post goes up. Same with YouTube, you can subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified each time a new video goes up. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.